Got bird shit right there. All right, so we got it on jacks. Then we gotta remove these 2 screws. This shit's filthy, bro. I'm gonna wash this after. It's just thing. All right, so we got this one screwed in. We gotta screw the middle ones. And we already got the other side. Comes with those bag screws. Just have someone hold it. And then you got the hose already there. And then I'm gonna wash it because it's fucking filthy. What's good? What's good? All right, just a couple days later, and we finally got the car clean. As you guys saw in the previous clip, it was very filthy. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's kind of windy, and I kind of got it cleaned up a little bit. You know, it's not too bad. You guys can see the paint. And then I got some tire shine on it. But we went ahead and bought another pressure washer. That's why it looks kind of like crazy right now, because I just unboxed it. I have the old one right here. I'm supposed to hit up Ryobi for the warranty because they come with 3-year warranty, so that's a plus. They might just cut me a check, or they might want me to send it out and get it fixed. And if it gets fixed, I got 90 days to return that one. I'll just return that one and then keep the one I had originally. So then that way I'm not out $200. Because you guys can see right here, that 3-year warranty. I don't know what happened with it. Honestly, the other one just stopped working. But, woo. We're about to go take some photos. And yes, we still got the Z. It's just, don't mind that. The wind always blows the car cover off, so I have this on it. So that way it doesn't fade the carbon hood. I'm thinking about getting some wheels. I might sell these OEM ones because honestly, I'm not gonna rock them at all. They're ugly ass wheels. So I'm thinking about getting new wheels and fixing the rust. And then other than that, yeah, probably get some wheels, fender, carbon fenders, and then repaint the quarter panels, and then get like a paint correction all over the car. But yeah, we still got the Z. I just haven't driven it. Tomei, and we have my girlfriend's, or my fiance slash my car, mostly her car actually. She pays for it, so both our names are on it. But this is her vehicle. So if you guys, you can tell this girl is lady driven. So if you guys want to see videos on this car, comment down below. It's a nice 2020 S4. Comes with like 365 horsepower. Not bad, all-wheel drive. But yeah, don't worry, we got plans for the Z. As of right now, we're just more focused on the Mustang, because it's coming together with the lip, diffuser, the rear spoiler. All right, so this is how the lip looks. If you guys wondering where I got it from Steeda.com. This is the PP2 lip splitter, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to fit on the PP1. So if you have a performance pack 1, then that splitter should fit. I believe if you have the non-performance pack, then you're gonna have to get the under tray belly pan, whatever that's called, from the performance pack 1, so that way that the performance pack 2 splitter can fit on it. But this is how it looks. Mine's a performance pack 1, so I didn't have to do anything. It just bolts right up, and you guys can see, and it's on there. Like, there's a lot of screws on it. You can see, like, it's not going nowhere. So, and it completes the front end. I'm thinking about getting blacked out badges so I can black out the pony, or just going with a different grill completely. And like, I think this, I forget what brand is that, MP Concept. I think it's MP Concept or the RTR, where you have the lights and it's all blacked out, and you have like a coyote badge you can put on if you like. I might go with something like that. I just like the sleek look. Overall, it's just coming together. You guys can see, I'll go do a walk around. And I kind of want to get my calipers painted as well, because those are really dull. Like they're the same color that comes from factory. I think they're black, but they're really like dirty. It's kind of hard to clean them with those type of wheels on them. And then of course we got the Euro style tail lights. I want to get a different deck lid, probably a carbon fiber one, and just eliminate the GT badge. Just eliminate the GT badge in general and just have it all carbon. You got the Street Arrow Performance. You got the Street Arrow diffuser, Corsa Extreme exhaust, and that's pretty much it. I don't have that much done to it. It's pretty like simplistic. Like, I don't like too much going on. I kind of like it like simple. Everything ties together, everything complements each other. Like, there's not different colors going on. Like, I don't like when I don't judge other people's builds, but I see people with like red emblems. They got a different color splitter. The interior is yellow. You got like the whole rainbow color on the car. And me, I just like to keep it simple. So sometimes less is more. But what do you guys think? That splitter, look at that. Yeah, it looks nice. I like it. Starting to get a little cold out.